What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tyra and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video that you're about to watch is all about all of my equipment that I use, but it was filmed for IGTV. So I just wanted to come on and say welcome to my channel and enjoy the video. What's up, everybody? It's your girl Tyra and welcome to the first episode of Tyra's Creative Classroom, and today we will be talking all things equipment.
That's right. Hey. Tyra, the creative. That's right. The creative.
So you guys, I'm so excited to debut this new segment on my IGTV. I always get so many DMs about how I make my videos, how I do this, what type of camera do I use, and Tyra's Creative Classroom will teach you guys everything that I know and everything that I have learned throughout the years of becoming a social media influencer and YouTuber. Now that you guys have seen my setup, we are about to get into the equipment that I use on a daily basis. Now I do have more equipment than what I'm going to show you guys today, but this is my go-to setup. So the first thing that I'm going to plug is my planner. Now I have two versions of this planner. This is my YouTube planner and this is my IGTV planner. You guys can't really see it because of how my camera and stuff is set up, but these are now 50% off in my Etsy shop. So if you guys wanted to go and get this planner, you definitely could. And this is what I use to plan out all my videos. This is legit the one that I'm using right now to keep myself on track for this video that I'm filming right this second. I highly recommend this because if you don't have like a plan, how you gonna execute, boo? And after the video planner, I would definitely say to have a content calendar. Your content calendar is something where you put all of your content ideas for the month, for the week, for the day, for the quarter, so you know what's coming up next on your channel. So you can say things like, okay, now that you watch this video, tune in on Saturday and I will have the next episode of Tyra's Creative Classroom, which I actually will because your girl got a content calendar. So this is my go-to camera right here that we are using right now, but I want to talk about my other cameras first. So when I first started my channel, I started out with this camera and it is the Canon G7X. It has a flip screen like this and it is just a point and shoot camera. I use this camera for vlogging. When I bought mine back in 2017, I paid about $800 for a camera bundle. So if you're looking to start out, this is a very good camera and I still love it, still use it to this day. I also film a lot of video content on my phone. I have the iPhone 10X, 10 Max, whatever you call it. I have this phone and I'm able to do 4K video, 1080p, and all of the different things that I need. And my absolute favorite camera to use is the one that we're using right now, and I'm going to show it to you. Hold on. This is my go-to camera, you guys. Hello, you guys can see yourself right now through there. But this is the Canon 80D, and right now I have my mic plugged into it, which is actually right here. But this is the Canon 80D, and on it right now I have a Canon 24mm lens. It is a prime lens, but this is my go-to lens because it gets really close up and it's also like a cheaper lens. It's about $100 if you are going to buy it off of Amazon. I also have one other lens for this camera, and it is this 50mm lens. Most of the pictures that you see on my Instagram are shot with this lens here or either my phone, but I'm always using my Canon 80D. Next, we're going to talk about the microphones. You guys already saw the microphone that I'm using right now, but here is a better picture of it. It is this mic right here. It is the Rode mic video mic, and it is a huge shotgun mic. It's super duper strong. There are a few different options, but this one in particular cost about $200. It's also on a boom pole and mic stand, and it comes with this adapter cord that is super duper long, and it actually connects all the way around, down, and into my camera. So that's what I'm using right now. So I'm gonna back up now. And if I am not using that mic, for example, if I wanted to do some voiceover or overlay some sound over a video where I'm explaining how to do something, I will use my lapel mic that I got from Amazon. It is from Pop Voice, and I don't remember how much it cost. It was about $20, but it is just a simple lapel mic that you hook it on to yourself, and then you can hook it into whatever device you have to record sound. The next thing we're going to touch on is my camera bag. This is my my bag that I carry around. It is so dope. I think I paid about $80 for this bag. It's on Amazon. And just so you guys know, everything that I'm talking about in this video, it's in my Amazon storefront. So you can go directly to my storefront. It is amazon.com/shop/TyraBoo94 because that used to be my Instagram name. And you can find all of these products. So this is a Go Groove backpack, and I can put my camera here. I normally put my ADD here. This part also opens up, and I put like you see my lenses in here, and my Canon G7X is in here as well. All types of things is in this bag. Get you a great camera bag that works for you. Now, this is a piece of equipment that I can't necessarily pull down. Actually, I'll pull it down. Changes the way, oops, it changes the way my video looks. But this is a reflector. It is a 7-way reflector that I got off of Amazon. I have this big one that I use to cover up my window. My main light source is a huge window that's right here that you guys can't see, but I use this so I can make the light softer coming through my window because it's bouncing off of a orange building, so I don't really want the light to be very orange. So I use this as a shield for the light, and I also have a smaller one that I use to bounce light. If you don't have lights, this will work really good for you because you can just take it and literally just find wherever the light is. See that? And speaking of light, I don't use a lot of light other than natural light, but I do have a lighting setup in case I wanted to film at night. But my favorite light is this one right here that I'm using, and it is a ring light. Here it is, and it is a bigger ring light, and I got it off of Amazon. I think I got it, this is the Neewer brand, Neewer, and basically everything that I got is like newer. My mic stand and stuff is newer. The reflectors are Neewer brand. It's a very affordable brand, and a lot of YouTubers and influencers use it. So you can get this ring light or even a smaller one on Amazon. Now we're going to talk a little bit about tripods. So as you can see in my camera bag on the side here, I have this little spider pod, and this is my go-to tripod for vlogging or on the go filming. I just sit it up on top of something. It can clip around like a pole or anything like that if you wanted your camera to like sit upside down or whatever you wanted to do. This is one of my favorite tripods. Got it from Amazon. I actually got it in the bundle with my G7X, but the tripod that I'm using right now, it is the Koto brand, and I love it. It has a quick release. It also turns into a monopod, and I paid about $100 for this tripod. You really want to get a nice heavyweight tripod so it lasts, because my first tripod I got from like Walmart for like $10. Trash. Get you a good tripod. And the last thing that is really helpful for me is this little phone mount here, and it can be used for a lot of different things. It's actually this little 2-piece thing, and it can either go like this or you can use it like this, whatever you want to do. But if you don't have a camera, you can get one of these. I got it for $9 off Amazon. Put this on your tripod and use your phone, and boom, you got a whole setup, boo. Now that we got the camera and we got the setup, we got the lights, when we film, we have to have some memory, you guys. So this is what I use. This is my little memory card wallet, but I keep them all in here, and I use the SanDisk memory cards, and I don't get anything smaller than a 64 gig, or I'll even get the 128 gig, and you can buy those at Best Buy. And I also have external drives. So these are both of my external drives. This is a 2 terabyte external, and this is a 1 terabyte external. But the key to having this is I like to have a backlog of all of my videos, and if I ever need to go back and look at them or anything, I can with these externals. I also make sure that I don't keep too much stuff on my actual computer because it'll make it run slow. So this is how I'm able to batch my content. Now you guys, we are going to talk about editing software. My favorite editing software is Final Cut Pro because it's like a step up from iMovie, and that's where your girl started. So don't feel any type of way if you use iMovie. You can do a lot of great things with iMovie. Final Cut Pro does cost $300, so it is a little investment. And all of the music and the different types of graphics or just different like editing hacks that you see, I use Epidemic Sound for all of my royalty-free music. They have some dope tracks. Check that out. And that's about $15 a month. And for my editing hacks, I use a website called Pixel Film Studios. Now, all of their different plugins range. They can cost $9 to $100, but they are super duper worth it, and I absolutely love using them. And the final thing I want to show you guys is my headphones, my computer, and my glasses. These glasses I got from Firmoo. They are actually prescription glasses, but they are blue light protectant. I spend so much time editing videos that I want to protect my eyes as much as possible because your girl eyes be tired. So I got these, and they were, well, they sent them to me for free, but they only cost about like $20, or you can get some off of Amazon. I use a MacBook. I bought this MacBook back in 2017, so I use a MacBook Pro. A lot of people ask me, can I use a MacBook Air for this? And I say no. You can use a MacBook Air, but you'll get so much better performance out of your MacBook Pro. I've heard a lot of people say that their MacBook Air crashes, or it's just not for creators who are doing video production or editing and that sort of thing. And when I'm editing my videos, I like to wear headphones because you get to see what the sound will really sound like. So these are my headphones here. I use the Beats Studio headphones, Studio 3. I actually got these for free when I bought my MacBook back in 2017. So I've had these for a while. They're actually plugged into my camera right now, so I can hear the actual audio coming out of my Rode mic. So it lets you know exactly how your audio will sound. So when you're editing your video, you can tell if it has too much background noise, or if you blew out the mic, like your plosive P's and things blew out the mic and all that kind of thing. So I suggest investing in a good pair of headphones. They don't have to be Beats. They can be like Sony headphones. They have a lot of those on Amazon. That's what like people who work at like the studios and stuff making movies, they use the regular Sony headphones, so you don't have to spend $100 on the Beats. Okay, I know this was a lot of information, you guys, and I'm glad that you made it to the end, and I hope you took some notes. Now, like I said at the beginning of the video, all of these items can be found on my Amazon shop at www.amazon.com/shop/Tyraboo94, because Tyraboo94 used to be my Instagram name. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Let me know if you guys have any equipment that you like that you think I can upgrade to, because I'm always looking to upgrade as well. And let me know in the comments. Share this video with somebody that you think will like it. Share it to your story. Share it in your DMs. Do all that stuff. And I will see you guys on Saturday for the next Tyra's Creative Classroom. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that IGTV video. If you have any questions about any of the equipment that I have, please put it down in the comments below. And I have also linked my Amazon shop in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure that you give it a like, and make sure that you hit that red subscribe button, and make sure your notifications are on so you can get all of the alerts anytime your girl posts any new content. And I'll see you in the next one.